In this video, I'm going to be walking through how to use the negative binomial distribution. If you want to find the number of trials needed to achieve a fixed number of successes denoted by R, then you can use a negative binomial distribution. The negative binomial distribution has a probability function of this below, and this will be made clear once we start using it in the problem that I have for you next. Sophie spins a coin, biased towards heads. If the probability of spinning a head is 0.65, find the probability that Sophie spins her third head, her third success in the sixth spin. So the probability is 0.65 and R is 3 because you want to find out the probability of a third success. Okay, and the probability of this success is 0.65. So you want to find out the probability of x equals 6. Using the formula before, you know that this can be written as 5 choose 2, 0.65, that's a 3, and the probability of failure to 3, which gives you 0.11774.